Hey y'all, if you want to see how I went from these struggle twists to these juicy box braids, then stay tuned.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you looking a hot mess because it's wash day. I'm going to give you my wash day routine and I'm going to show you how I style my hair for this summer. So we're starting from this. My hair has been in these twists for about a month. It's really raggedy. I only did this so I can put my hair in a bun for work, so these twists are really thin on purpose. I didn't want it to be bulky. So the first step in this process is me taking this style down so that we can get my hair washed and clean my scalp thoroughly. Okay, so let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so it looks super crazy, but I got the hair out, and this is just how I had my hair underneath. This is why I'm saying this is a really good protective style, because not only was it in twist, but it was in braids underneath the twist, so it really protects my hair a little extra. And we're getting some length. We're getting some length. Okay, so my hair is out. It's getting long, y'all. I don't know if you remember where I started out, but this, I'm so proud of her. She's growing. This is what it used to look like. And if you want to go see where we started off with this, go look at my big chop video. I'm gonna detangle it just so I don't have a bunch of hair in the shower. So after detangling, this is how much hair I lost, which is not a crazy amount for having my hair in a protective style for a month.
Long story short, I deep conditioned my hair, and let's just skip forward to the shampoo. So now that I have some clean hair, I'm going to go ahead and put it into braids, which I'm going to skip showing you guys since I've shown you so many times. If you want to see how that process is done, check out my protective styles for hair growth video. It's the same method, but this time I'm just going to braid instead of twist.
After months of being without her, I finally got to go to the beauty supply and we got us some hair. Okay, this is some pre-stretch hair from Free Tresses, and I'm going to see how I like it. I'm not sure, I've never used this brand, but the fact that it's pre-stretched, pre-cut, pre-layered, all that is good for me because I'm trying to save some time because this stuff already takes really long. So let's get into it. Alright, so now that I'm at the front, I'm going to show you how I've been doing it. So I'm going to take my crochet tool, stick it through there, the hook out. You're going to take a piece, size is up to you. and hook it onto tool, close the latch, pull it through. Then I'm gonna hold one side and pull the rest through. Make it even. Take another piece. I'm gonna take this piece, wrap it around the whole piece of hair from the root, pull, and then start braiding it down. Take some Eco Styler. Eco Styler makes it so much easier to keep the hair neat. And at this point, I'm trying to maintain 3 strands. I'm not letting my real hair be a strand by itself because it's just gonna make more work for me once the hair runs out. So I'm just intertwining it with one piece. So you can see this is my real hair with one piece. I'm just braiding it down, trying to make sure I can tuck this end. Some more Eco. It just gets tucked in. And now that was the end of my real hair. You just keep braiding down.
So I'm going to show y'all one more time, but I'm just going to speed it up a little bit.
Make sure I have 3 pieces. I try to make sure that my real hair only has like 1 strand of hair with it. So you see how this is 2? I don't want it to be 2 because my hair is already making it bulky. So I just want it to be like 1. So I'll put this piece with that and keep this as a single piece, if you get what I'm saying. We are officially done, and it's nice and long. Ooh. This is super cute, and this is the first time I've done braids on myself. So for my first time, this is a really, really cute. Really. I'm feeling it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank y'all for sticking with me throughout my entire wash day. Let me know if you learned anything, and let me know if you want to see anything else from me. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.